Are you afraid your money might lose value overnight? With inflation still lurking and global uncertainty all around us, more Singaporeans are turning to one timeless asset, gold. And guess what? Gold just hit an all-time high, over 4,000 Singapore dollars per ounce. So now the big question is it too late to buy physical gold in 2025? In this video, I'm going to walk you through what type of gold bars to buy and which ones to avoid, where to buy gold safely right here in Singapore, the real pros and cons of investing in physical gold, including one thing most people forget: you don't earn any passive income, and finally, is gold still a smart investment in today's unpredictable world? So if you're new to investing in precious metals, or just want to avoid expensive beginner mistakes, stay with me until the end. Hit that like button, smash subscribe to Wealth for You, and let's dive in. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak to a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Part 1. Why invest in gold now? Gold has always been seen as a safe haven. But in 2025, it's not just a theory, it's reality. With global inflation, geopolitical tensions, and even whispers of recession, investors are turning to gold for one simple reason: stability. Gold doesn't rely on central banks, it doesn't default, and it's been a store of value for over 5,000 years. In times of crisis, while stocks crash and currencies weaken, gold tends to hold, or even increase, its value. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis and again in 2020's pandemic crash, gold prices surged while stock markets tanked. Part 2. Types of gold bars to buy. So, if you're ready to invest, let's talk about what kind of gold to buy. Stick to investment-grade gold bars with 99.99% purity. That's 24 karat. Here are the top 3 most trusted brands you'll find in Singapore. PAMP Suisse, one of the most recognized bars globally, with security features like holograms and QR codes. Perth Mint, Australia. Government-backed, with a beautiful matte finish. Credit Suisse, Swiss bank-issued, solid reputation, widely accepted. I recommend starting with a 1-ounce bar. It's the sweet spot between affordability and resale value. Part 3. How much does gold cost? Gold prices change daily. Right now, we're looking at over 4,000 Singapore dollars per ounce, an all-time high. You'll pay the spot price, which is global market price, plus a physical premium for minting, packaging, and dealer margin. So that PAMP bar that costs 4,300 Singapore dollars in spot price may end up costing you 4,400 plus. Pro tip: cast bars are slightly cheaper than minted ones, but they don't look as pretty. For stacking, cast is fine. For gifts or resale, go minted. Part 4. Where to buy gold in Singapore. Let's break it down. First, UOB Bank at Raffles Place. It's the only local bank selling physical gold. They offer gold bars, coins, and certificates, all coming with official packaging and a receipt, essential if you want to resell to the bank later. A quick note: you'll need a UOB account for larger purchases, and you can't pay large sums in cash. Next, BullionStar at Clarke Quay. They have a huge variety of gold and silver bars and coins. It's great for collectors and investors who want variety. Plus, they offer vault storage too. Then Indigo Precious Metals on Amoy Street. They offer competitive pricing and strong customer service. While their selection is smaller, it's great if you're in the CBD. Also, Silver Bullion in the Cisco building. It's located a bit further out, but they offer secure vault storage and transparent online pricing. Lastly, APMEX, which is an online, US-based option. They have a massive variety, great for rare coins. They deliver to Singapore with shipping costs around $50 USD plus 25 cents per ounce. And there's no GST for investment-grade gold. Part 5. Pros and cons of buying physical gold. Let's get honest here. Gold is not perfect. First, the pros. It acts as a hedge against inflation and economic crisis. It's highly liquid, meaning it's easy to sell. There's no counterparty risk, unlike stocks or bonds. And in Singapore, there's no capital gains tax and no GST on investment-grade gold. Now, the cons. Gold doesn't pay dividends or interest, so there's no passive income. You'll need to store it, whether at home, in a vault, or a safety deposit box. Prices can be volatile, especially in the short term. And there are high premiums for small bars. For example, 1-gram bars can have a 30% or more premium. If you're aiming for cash flow, gold may not be your answer. You might want to look into REITs or dividend stocks instead. Part 6. Final tips for first-time buyers. If you're just getting started, I recommend a 1-ounce gold bar from a trusted mint, like PAMP Suisse, Perth Mint, or Credit Suisse. Always buy bars that are sealed and come with official documentation. This protects your resale value. Compare prices and premiums across at least 2 dealers, because every dollar saved is a gram gained. And please, store your gold safely. A vault, a bank safety deposit box, or a private storage facility is way better than hiding it under your mattress. But here's the key takeaway. Gold is not meant to make you rich. It's meant to keep you from becoming poor. It's a defensive asset. If fiat currency ever fails, you can convert your gold back into cash fast. But if you're looking for cash flow, to grow your wealth and earn income while you sleep, then you might want to look into dividend-paying stocks or REITs instead. Because while gold shines in a crisis, dividend income shines every single month. So now the question is, will you be stacking gold or stacking dividends this year? Let me know in the comments. Which gold bar are you eyeing? 1 ounce, 100 grams, or maybe a cast bar? Or are you leaning more toward income-generating assets like dividend stocks? If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Wealth for You for more beginner-friendly guides on gold, silver, and building passive income in Singapore. Stay till the end of every video because we always break things down simply, so you can make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay golden, but stay cash flow rich.